Most people get this wrong. They think USA Cash Wave is just another Paydate or BNPL app with hidden fees. The surprising truth in 2026 is that it has become a fast, flexible, and user-friendly platform for accessing short-term cash while keeping repayments clear and manageable. Here's how it works. USA Cash Wave lets users request a small advance on earned wages or split urgent bills into manageable installments. Funds often arrive within hours, making it perfect for emergencies like car repairs, medical bills, or utility payments. The app provides clear repayment schedules and reminders to prevent missed payments. Another key feature is its financial tracking tools. USA Cash Wave monitors repayment progress, upcoming payments, and even offers spending insights. This turns it into more than a cash advance service. It's a short-term financial assistant. The downside? Overusing the service can get costly. Regularly relying on advances for everyday spending may quickly add up in fees. Tips for responsible use. 1. Only borrow what you can comfortably repay. 2. Stick to repayment schedules and set reminders. 3. Use the app's financial insights to plan short-term finances. Who benefits most? People with regular income who occasionally need fast cash. Those prone to overspending may face higher costs. In conclusion, USA Cash Wave in 2026 is practical, fast, and smart, but only when used wisely. Treat it as an emergency tool. Plan repayments carefully and monitor spending. Subscribe for more honest app reviews and practical financial tips.